Classy Claws. Today's video is my holiday nails. I'm going on holiday next week. I'm going to Benidorm, never been there before, so I'm really looking forward to that. Wanted something a little bit brighter than what I've been wearing, so went for this nice peach and gold set, which I found online, but I'm not quite sure who they were by. The peach is not Smashed Peach from CJP, shock horror. It is a lighter peach, and I found it on eBay by Nail Vision, I think they're called, and it's called Peach Smoothie, and it is the most beautiful peach. And I mixed it with CJP Cherry Blossom to do an ombre, and then I also used some gold shards, which were by gold shards, who they by? One of them, Glitter Fairy, Glitter Planet, CJP, wherever they're from, the shards. And then I'd also got some of my own mix of gold, and then did an ombre with the gold. And then oh God, excuse me, late, and I'm doing the recording and it's really late. I'm really sorry for yawning. On my two thumbs I just used some of the gold and just did some sort of like little design. To be honest, you know what I'm like, I just whiz them on dead fast. I don't really think too much about the design, but I was pleased with them when they were finished. And I did some bright orange, neon orange gel toes as well to match. So I'm very happy. I know I've done them a bit early, a week before I'm due to go, but I thought, well, do you know what? At least I'll have them on for 2 weeks, because when I come back, I want to have a go on some of this autumnal colours. Got a lovely marble one I did the other day, absolutely stunning, with the olive green and asphalt I think I used, and the bronze, and oh my god, all those beautiful colours. So I'm definitely going to do an autumnal set when I come back, but wanted to just put these on for my holiday. I've had short black gel nails, well, acrylic overlays I had on my own nails for about 2 weeks. Great for work, so I got loads of typing done, but they were hideous. I hated them. So as soon as I put these on, you just feel ladylike again, which is really nice feeling. I couldn't do any work today. I couldn't type, really. I couldn't really do much, but who cares when you've got nice nails? I'm going to leave you to watch this. Very, very plain, simple set. You'll see how the gold and the peach just work beautiful together. I obviously cap them all in crystal glass, and then I do my filing. Same routine, so I've not kept it in. And then I use my Blue Sky. Oh my god, excuse me. No white top coat. Excuse me, I'm so tired. I don't mind, it's only 9:30. It's because I get up at 6:30 in the morning, so I'm so tired. No sky, blue sky even, top coat, no white top coat. And then I also, before I put the top coat on, I put some crystals on, and these are the opal ones that I got from eBay, I think it was, a whole pot of them, and they're just stunning. In fact, I kind of use them on every set I do lately, but they look really pretty. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd be well chuffed if you subscribe. I'm kind of stuck at 368. I don't know why. I want to get up to about 500 if I can. I'm just probably not putting enough videos on at the moment, or I just really haven't had the time. But I will promise and make an effort. I know Christmas is coming up soon, God help us, and I'll be really super busy then, so I will put lots more videos on. Okay, I think that's enough waffling for today. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope you enjoy the design and the colours, and it gives you some ideas. And like I've said, I'm not perfect, not by any stretch of the imagination, but I am giving it a good go, and I am enjoying doing my nails. And I hope you enjoy watching the videos. And I will see you all on my next one. Take care. Bye all. Bye, 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 bye.